Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. It's a beautiful morning, light breeze, sunny. Let's take a quick look around from up here on Conversation Point. You can see it's greened up a little bit out here from the rains we've had, but it's still not enough to bring everything back to where it should be. And of course the pond's not full, but we've got a good bit more water in there than was there last time I was here 2 months ago. So I'd like to thank everyone that follows along with the channel, supports me through watching it. A little at a time it's coming together. I wish I had more time to spend out here to build the project, but unfortunately right now finances do not allow that. I'm hoping here in a few years I'll get over that where I can be out here full time, make this thing go a lot faster. I'd like to say a special thank you to people that donated through Buy Me a Coffee to the channel. It's starting from the oldest to the newest. Andreas at Andreas, MB at Dear Boheme, Steve Long Hunter, Skater Z at the K Chipper Project, Steve Long Hunter, someone at JJ Godwin, Steve Long Hunter, Molly Armandez, Roger ABN at Roger ABN, Roscoe at Bitcoin. I'd also like to thank Roscoe again. He donated through Amazon wishlist for the channel a deep well pump, which is going to come in very handy out here. I'm going to use that pump to pump water from the well up to the tank building, which will be over here. I'll need a few more pumps to pump water from the lower pond up to the upper pond, which will allow me to irrigate from that and also make electricity through the hydro generator building, which is going to be right over here. So every little bit helps. Get me a little closer to that goal of being out here full time. Probably everything I've done out here could be done in less than a year if I was just here full time. At this point it's taken me 10 years to get to this stage. I'll keep plugging away at it. Again, I'd like to thank everyone for supporting me by watching the channel and the project as it develops. If you're interested in speeding the project up, there's a few ways to do that in the description of the video. Buy Me a Coffee is one. There's also Amazon. Every little bit will get me closer to being out here full time and making this project go a lot faster. Thank you for your support and watching. See you on the next one.